James Hardie siding does not need to be painted. You're going to want to paint it at some point down the road. Since the Color Plus technology is applied at the factory, what they do is they have a specific coating that is made for fiber cement siding. They take the board and they heat it up to whatever temperature is best for maximum adherence. They run that through their coating line. It gets the coat on the surface and on the sides, and then it goes through a curtain coat or a curtain coat of paint, which is basically just like a waterfall of coating that applies on the board, and then it's run through a dryer so that it's baked on after that. Again, something that you cannot duplicate in a field painting process, and so that ensures that the coating is not, and the durability of the board, then not expanding and contracting, ensures that the paint is not going to peel off of there. When we get into fading, that's kind of a different deal. I'm not sure if man has made anything that doesn't fade. And so what you're going to want to look for if you're concerned about fading, if you have a south-facing wall, if you have a lot of sun and not a lot of tree cover, you're going to want to look for some of the lighter colors potentially. That's going to show a lot less than a darker color that is exposed to the sun. But when you're looking at, does the paint peel, does it chip, like on a wood product, it's not going to do that. You're not going to have to scrape and sand and do all of the prep work that's needed to paint traditional wood siding, but eventually you will want to refresh the look. I think that that's an advantage of James Hardie siding, so if you do want to change the color, you can, and so you're not locked into that color for eternity like you are with a vinyl siding. You just pressure wash, get a clean surface, and then you can change the color in 15 or 20 or 25 years when it's faded to a point that you want to do something with it.